Once again, welcome to Artha Hub. Today, we will not talk about any economic concept, but yes, we will talk about a very important thing. So, today, we will talk about a very famous economic institute in India, that is Indian Statistical Institute. So, in this session, we only talk about economic courses provided by Indian Statistical Institute. So, Indian Statistical Institute provides a bachelor degree in quantitative economics, master degree in quantitative economics, and it's also provide a PhD degree in economics. So, in today's session, we only focus how you can crack Master of Sciences Quantitative Economics conducted by Indian Statistical Institute. So, let's begin. Indian Statistical Institute, founded by a very famous statistician, that is Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis in 1931. ISI have 5 centers across India with head office in Kolkata. Master of Science in Quantitative Economics, this is a 2 year advanced program in economics and its special emphasis on quantitative methods. Okay, so as this name of the course is suggested, Master of Science in Quantitative Economics, so this special focus on quantitative methods. So Master of Science in Quantitative Economics offered by Indian Statistical Institute Kolkata and Indian Statistical Institute Delhi. So what are the eligibility for this particular course? Who can apply for this course? So if you have a bachelor degree, a 3 year bachelor degree in any discipline, it doesn't matter in which discipline you have completed your graduation, but yes, this 3 year bachelor degree in any discipline with mathematics as a subject at the intermediate level, at 10 plus 2 level. But the important thing is that you have a mathematics as a subject in the intermediate level. What are the selection procedure? So the written test will comprise multiple choice and short answer type questions, okay, in both economics and mathematics at the undergraduate level. So the selection procedure of Indian Statistical Institute, it's a very difficult. They have conduct a written examination, and there are the two two codes for written exam. One is multiple choice question, that is PEA, and the other one is descriptive test, that is code is PEB. Okay, so in multiple choice question and descriptive test, and after that they have taken a interview for the final selection. This is the syllabus for entrance syllabus for MSQE in the year of 2020. So this is the syllabus for mathematics, syllabus for microeconomics, and this is the syllabus for macroeconomics. So if you want to apply for MSQE in Indian Statistical Institute, so first you have download the syllabus from Indian Statistical website and read out thoroughly to understand the concepts of particular mathematics, micro and macroeconomics. So what type of the concepts in mathematics, what type of the concept in micro and macroeconomics? To understand this particular whole syllabus of the MSQE, and after that you can download the previous year question paper from the website of Indian Statistical Institute, and then you can realize what type the question they have asking in the entrance examinations. If you look at this microeconomics syllabus, you have clearly seen this. There are some international economic concepts like Ricardian trade model, a very famous Heckscher-Ohlin theorem, Stopler-Samuelson theorem, and Rimsky theorem. So for this, I will recommend you a book, Don Mix Salvatore, for these international economic concepts. Clear? So this is the program MSQE. Okay. MQEK means Master of Quantitative Economics conducted by the Kolkata and Master of Quantitative Economics for Delhi. So they have test mathematics and economics, MCQ, and also a descriptive test. Okay, for math and economics. So both paper MCQ and descriptive they have asking question from maths and economics, but the difference between PEA and PEB is that PEB is completely descriptive test and PEA is a MCQ test. So PEA have only 30 questions MCQ, and PEB have different groups like group A, group B, group C, and they have asking a question related with mathematics and economics. For further details, you can visit www.isical.ac.in. Books recommendation for Master of Science in Quantitative Economics. See, this is books recommendation by me. You can use any book for this particular course, but for my opinion, this is the best for your Master of Science in Quantitative Economics entrance examinations. For mathematics, I will suggest you Simon and Lawrence for mathematics for economics. And if you are not very familiar with mathematics, so you can use Chiang book Alpha C Chiang by Tata McGraw Hill, Fundamental Methods of Mathematical Economics. For microeconomics, I will suggest you Halar Varian Intermediate Microeconomics to clear the concept. And for the basic concept, you can also use Nicholson Fundamental of Microeconomics. After read the Halar Varian Intermediate Microeconomics book, please do the workbook by Halar Varian. This is a very important thing for entrance examination. This workbook is a very important for entrance exam. Okay, so not only for Indian Statistical Institute MSQE entrance exam, but also if you completed this Halar Varian workbook, this workbook helps you uh, entrance examination for postgraduate level in economics of different institute or universities. Okay, so that's why I recommend you a workbook by Halar Varian. For macroeconomics, I will suggest you Branson Macroeconomic Theory and Policy, third edition. Okay, and Dornbis and Fisher Macroeconomics by Tata McGraw Hill. And if you are not very familiar with macroeconomics, so you can also use a book and Gregory Mankiw for some basic concepts. So these are the books recommendation by me to crack the MSQE exam. And so this is the whole scenario for the Indian Statistical Institute for Master of Science in Quantitative Economics, how you can crack Master of Science in Quantitative Economics. For further details or to update for this particular course, what type of the question they have asking, you have to visit Indian Statistical Institute website, and you can clearly download a previous 4 to 5 years question paper, and after that you clearly see how what type of the question they have asking in the entrance examination. Okay, so in today's lecture we have covered Indian Statistical Institute Master of Science in Quantitative Economics, and in the next session we will talk about a very famous institute for economics, and that is Delhi School of Economics. So if you like this particular information, if you like this video, if you like this particular session, so please subscribe my channel Artha Hub, like and share this particular video,